Gum.
Blind dates no dey. Blind
gum.
Nigeria, you people have to be serious.
I say gum.
No. No, the word and the cause for outsiders. Jesus.
Oh, see that captain.
Captain, I get big load like traveler. You know, quick the traveler. You know, quick. You know, quick. I say me go.
I don't tell you,
You know, quick. No airport for my bros.
What is stress for these guys too?
No airport for my bro. The fuck is this bag for?
No make sense.
So nobody can help you do this.
Nobody.
They give them their first half jersey, second half jersey. When they tell they come from us. Now they know they're going to do their jersey by themselves. What if the who's supposed to check with all these things? Who? Are you still a player? You still a play?
Are you among?
Just you two.
Are you two?
Stop.
Stop it.
Where are you going?
Stop it. Go back.
Where are you going?
Go back.
You want your dodge past me?
Yes, snake club.
You want dodge past me?
Yes, snake club. Go.
On the Easter, they protest for Una the Kano.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm doing in the entire house. This is football, bro.
What are you doing now?
This one. I'll be say if you feel say you need to wear this, you're doing. Go play for Iyemba.
Yes.
Wari Wolf.
Yes.
Go there.
Yes.
We don't need these things here. Don't be bringing your campaign. They campaign for Igbo for Una the Kano there. I'll be for a raving.
These guys are woke. They are woke. These guys woke.
Not be miss penalty just now.
If na in there, if na in.
No, you go free now. You miss penalty.
If na in.
Because do you know what? Do you know your mindset?
You don't
protest. Anywhere you not dey, when I want your campaign.
If na you.
Get one guy made a leak mouth just now.
If na you.
The clap, Baba your dread.
Your room.
This is not play. Uganda for all of them.
Bombo Club. What dog? What you saying?
Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, it's that pressure.
Because these things, they do like this.
My life is on pressure.
No, you just spoil my bow.
Spoil bow.
I tell you.
Sure.
You ever be like, yeah, Super Eagles. You want like this now? Nigeria Super Eagles.
Let me want your kind of just you won't finish me.
You want like this when you carry
so they go fam you.
Guys, go roll tire.
Don't let it
be. Go, bros, come put that car. See, your back is heavy. Hushback, baby. Hushback, baby. The fuck is going on?
Hushback, baby. What
the fuck? This might be
I lose the last ball.
Why your lips no red for them? You see them. They go say, "Moon, leave this. Here those transgender ideas." But you see, they come like Nicki Mouse. They come like
Come to come and carry shit, man.
Do you think we are here for those type of things? They talk and say now our celebrities now they push all those agendas.
Yes, no, I didn't see no.
When they make us they campaign against many things.
We don't campaign, don't try ourselves for campaign.
They say stop behaving like a girl.
Stop it.
Stop behaving like female.
Stop it.
Say you take waka come. Are you prepared? You did do like female.
Not female.
No, if you play, can you play? Who are you? Bro, you are not qualified. They got to check you out. See, big bag. When I let this guy carry a big bag, tie shirt for waist. It be like all those children they come back that year for school. I mean, they get ready for the come. All those Superman school students that time they tie their uniform for your waist. Now guess so? No, get hand or wear sweater on top of their uniform. They got tie for bros. Listen, man, bro. Let me tell you something. Yes, now. Let me tell you something. What you don't know. What you're not prepared for, you cannot get it. These people, you prepare to win. Are you sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Because, guy, we're not just stressed. Only the journey. The journey, Nigeria people, they go drive on a DR Congo. I don't know how they take Congo. But your journey was caring. I don't know, go different side. Don't come and use bus for full city.
Remember about these people.
No, don't leave them. No, they don't lose against DRO.
Luis Enriquez had a
They win with you did. Oh, why again? Una they win. They lose against DRO. See that guy, see. Now this boy, I tell you. I told you. You just dress like you're a female. What men can do, female cannot do everything. So if you think with female idea, bro, you dey back us. They are back. You are the cost of our back follows.
Yeah, it costs, man.
Bro, for you to feel do all the paint your lips like say you be. I don't understand. Who serve you?
You want to serve.
No, you don't lose penalty.
You don't want to serve.
The journey of all of us going now, you don't come back.
Why you?
It just be like, would they say would they go somewhere? Would they go to the World Cup to go and play? This boy bring us back.
Why? Who is he?
Because they carry him now. They say, come, let's go in Yuma, come play.
Yeah, this boy from Calabar.
Come play, bro. You get younger. This guy up. What's up, man? Just now for the tinty month.
I don't be looking at you.
Change on your face. You miss penalty with full voltage. You look. You go feel say you be wolf. You feel like ego eyes. Gonna super egos. Does he see one ego? Bro, fly far. Ego don't stop like this. That's what you do. Let's play. Play off See, I felt it wrong. See.
I see nigga the kid in there.
This guy never play, but keeper don't go where. No get skills. What did they tell us we don't call do? What were you trained for? You didn't see the score. 4-4. And you are the last person. Damn it, Timon.
Last score to win.
If you play now, we'll go 5.
We'll go 5.
You say how dare us have 5.
How dare us at 5?
You cut yourself off. Look at what you do. Then the best thing play it. Boss, you are too one side. Stand straight. Must you bend? All those are right time on the run. Bro, see.
Keeper don't do like this.
See.
You know, see the keeper don't set go like this.
This guy for use. This man and this man.
Yes.
If you know they look the keeper.
You don't look keeper.
If they look these two people, the keeper go they look you, they look.
Keeper they look your leg.
Then you observe. Cut on.
The keeper don't do like this.
The cash. The keeper no. What this guy for this thing? What this guy for this thing? Training.
That's why cash is very clear.
Keeper you tell see this guy Doves. See one guy. To show you Apple reverse or something. See this guy. This guy they complain.
Yes, now you shake your arm.
See how they complain. Nonsense. I use my money call Morocco. Come watch now. Look what you play for me. You just say now you now government pay my flight. I came alone. Cameroon made a president be thief. Cameroon made was strong. DRO, let's see they put. They be like doctor, may lose match, may lose everything. Cameroon is not strong to beat to Nigeria. Cameroon, still worry Cameroon. Where Cameroon see they go like this.
Cameroon be Congo.
Okay, sure. Who they play?
It's Congolese.
DR Congo. Cameroon, sorry, not people now. But I don't invest for anything.
Yeah, see, they go.
Maybe Cameroon. Wait too.
Now Cameroon, I get president will be like Wikos. When they don't baby president.
Congo. Which president will be that old man?
Cameroon that one coast. Dumb babies. Dumb babies.
Which will come back. Congo, DR Congo.
DR Congo.
DR Congo. How you people forget what you people just did which day here?
Thank you.
How you forget? I'm gonna J person may not figure J. DR Congo. Eh? Congo, death penalty.
It's Congo. Oh, they will Congo them. Congo never say anything. Congo ain't ready for that type of shit.
So, I've been not be them. Is it not them? It's them now.
A military court in Democratic Republic of Congo has just sentenced former President Joseph Kabila. A military court in Democratic Republic of Congo has just sentenced former President Joseph Kabila to death. Kabila was tried in absentia for treason, accused of supporting the M23 rebel group in the east of the country. Kabila is convicted of war crimes for decisions he made during military conflicts while he was in office. He is currently believed to be in the M23-controlled city of Goma. We're going to go to Alan Wakani. He's joining us from Goma in eastern DRC. Alan, just bring us up to speed with what's been happening.
Well, as many people were expecting here in the country, the military court ruling finally has sentenced Joseph Kabila to death. They are mainly insisting on the fact that it was proven by the court that Joseph Kabila is the boss or the direct responsible of the current movement here, the M23 rebels.
Who are they arresting? Where is the Joseph now?
Controlling this town of Goma and also Bukavu, and still continuing with different fighting in different areas, trying to capture more area. The court also is coming on the fact that many people were killed here, destruction of the public equipment, and also the control of the public building, for example. All this for them, they are saying that it has been proven that Joseph Kabila is the one coordinating Corneille Nangaa, Bertrand Bisimwa, and all other different people in this rebellion here. But the big question remains from different sides. Now we are even trying to see the reaction from the population. They were expecting to see the court giving the real proof, showing how, for example, Joseph Kabila has been financing this movement. Nothing like this was proven, not even in the bank system, or even how he is supporting. The only fact the court is really trying to insist on is the fact that Joseph Kabila decided to come back here in Goma, the area under the control of the M23. But
what are you saying, sir? Do you know what?
This is known by the population here that it was because Kabila has been under the threat due.
No, no, go win ball. We not come for league.
No, they say 1 million.
League. Listen to what two people are doing us. Congo, we told you that when I leave this football career, we need that team. Pass Congo. Congo no.
Congo no safe.
At least
if we did that,
an eye for an eye.
Those who will not go, those who as well qualify, the full world is shit.
Anytime any African country want to play against us, Nigeria, we have to an eye for an eye.
I don't know the fee.
An eye for an eye. Lose this match, please. Congo no green. Congo jack the final, the penalty.
Desperado.
No, we're not going now. Where are they go? Where are you guys going to? We don't really need this football team. Now, that they be sentenced to death too. Football not be the best for us, Sean. You gotta build airport. Bring the money.
Where is the money?
Bring it to.
I
first invest all these African countries. South Africa, Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Cameroon, Uganda,
all of them.
Can invest in Super Eagles.
All of them, Zimbabwe, all of them.
Make Super Eagles carry us. Just go there. Because even if they could carry this World Cup, it could be like Africa, we don't get nothing.
Nothing, bro.
That could go, even if on a carry this World Cup. On I'm not going to use that where.
Yes.
They don't have the plan for the football first.
Yes. Facts.
I shocked that day. Guess what? For final, what do they call that country? My country may beat Nigeria come up for final that day. Ivory Coast.
Costa Rica.
Ivory Coast.
Cocoros.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. How dare you? How dare Ivory Coast do that kind of thing to us? Ivory Coast, they're trapped in debt. That if you see the kind of money made in Nigeria, it look like all of us are dead. Lagos State, maybe say. I used plane from Abuja go Lagos. No, from Abuja, yes. From Abuja, we land Lagos. As we observe, say Abuja to door. Abuja be like ghost town. As the football ends, now we fly go Lagos, I beg, because me, I cannot be bored.
Yes, sir.
Guess what? I reach Lagos on Sunday.
Every cold.
Every hour,
Over cold more than
I was like, what motherfucker? What is going on? What is going on?
What am I doing?
Just what comes too far? God. Oh, what do we go feel win?
Yeah, tell us now.
Super Eagles, what can we win?
What can we win? Please tell us.
Jaro Congo.
No, come over here.
Now Joseph, they sentenced to death. This man that they are sentencing to death, guess what? It's too funny. Now the funniest sentencing be this. They sentence somebody to death. To death.
Not the prison.
Where is the person you are sentencing to death? They say he's in exile.
Yes,
You sentence somebody to death. You say before death time, before they go kill him.
Yes, sir.
Make him break back $50 billion.
Dollars.
Somebody that asked $50 billion was sentenced to death.
Yes.
And you don't know where the person is.
Yes.
And you think the person will truly come back to death.
Why?
And he has $50 million to refund.
What?
I will come back.
What?
Wherever you ask, don't mind them.
Just go.
Don't mind them.
Just go. Go.
Don't even mind them.
Go. Just go.
That judgment now something else on me.
No, that thing. No,
they just want to make this man not come to the country.
Yes. They push you.
You people could just say, don't come back to this country because you are a threat to us.
And you people find the.
Don't tell me to say you are sentencing into death. Somebody is not in prison.
Why?
Person is not in prison.
Why?
Person is not in prison.
What the fuck?
Tanzania win for election. The opponent of the election is in cell, is in prison.
Yes.
Then she win. When I the place skit.
Desperado.
People are just stressed in Africa. If they grow, we foresee the grow.
Yes, sir.
And if people are doing nothing, we leave Nigeria. We left Nigeria because we could not continue that kind of style. We left Nigeria to South Africa. We did alright. I swear with my life, we are cool. We are just cool. We are just doing cool. We are cool. We are cool, bro.
Don't give a fuck about that.
I need to improve. Because what that World Cup said, leave it for us. I beg you now. No. Angry fans have been fighting. Angry fans. No, they blame Osimhen.
They don't beat one way they thought Osimhen. Yeah, you know.
Guess what? Mr. Jollof, in case you don't know Jollof.
You don't beat one way we say in our ops to Osimhen.
In case you don't know Mr. Jollof, who be this man? You will play tire.
Come on, get the fuck out of there.
That's tire. Mr. Jollof.
Jollof rice. Come on, explain yourself. No, Jollof can't start this matter.
No, I want Jollof will start the matter. No. This guy.
Sober reflection. Let's start with NFF, the governing body of Nigerian football. I think it is high time for the president to overhaul NFF. Sack everybody from gatesman to who clean toilet. Sack everybody. Because
no worry, wait.
Nigeria is a country that people that have ruled and they have retired from that position, they still have control over some commission in this country. It happened last week here when a retired naval chief.
What be this? Come on here.
I think they wrote them.
This calls for sober reflection.
So after this, I was calling for sober reflection.
They're reflecting, man.
This guy, because he was hungry now, he went to this. The other guy, this guy I mentioned last now, Jollof rice, Mr. Jollof.
Yeah, the Jollof.
Yeah, and this guy. In now, where this guy? And they come. You look at this guy. You see this guy here, so. This guy. In now, Osime. Victor. Maybe you can't say a victory without Victor. You can't say victorious without victory. I actually put that in it. Hold on, my friend. So this guy, okay, this is our super ego superstar. In our top 9 striker. I think
highest goal scorer in Champions League right now.
Champions League right now. Now this boy be the highest scorer, but something up. He couldn't do it in Nigeria.
It's not the only one there.
He couldn't do it. It's not a miracle doer.
I understand.
So Mr. Jollof may just pass. Now this guy rivals.
Yes.
And he ups. Mr. Jollof no dey let this boy get peace.
I don't know why.
And guess what? They are two now from the same, almost the same side. Said.
Yes, so Bendel.
Jollof say no.
Jollof say no. Jollof will not.
Jollof say. Oh,
Jollof will not done.
Do you hear what Jollof said?
Who not done?
Jollof said something about Osimhen.
Jollof will be marriage rice. Just come, your colleague misbehave. They talk about Osimhen that time. They look at they talk about Osimhen. Now they don't know them. Osimhen fan don't know them. Don't know them. They go know them again. Bring it. Yes.
I see your belief say.
Yes. Is it?
No. Hold on. You gotta move it up my post by itself. Oh, no need.
Nah, the short
You
talk.
see this life, eh?
I post long.
Wetin every guy sing say 99 good plus 1 bad. Yeah? Nah, you be bad person. So if I correct you with Osimhen, you not like I correct you. You not just say I love. See, the way you reason this matter, not so that you reason the matter.
Not the matter me reason.
No matter how you use the coin here, the cruise. Talk with him. Your mouth will be like foul, yash.
I see your belief say, as you carry home and actually prioritize paint your hair, then you can just be the king.
Guess what? I beg viewers. Guess what this man is trying to talk? This man, a man.
This man, whipper.
Mr. Jollof.
Mr. Jollof.
I see your belief say, as you carry home and actually prioritize paint your hair, then you can just be the king. As senior you senior with 12 years, your club now won't drive you. Club not will call for you. And just be the king. As senior you senior with 12 years, your club now won't drive you. Club not will call for you. You will win Africa footballer with Napoli. Napoli will be Wayo club. Fraud club by Napoli. Wait, not you will be the best player for the club. Come be sharp with us.
Club will not win trophies is when Maradona there.
Guess club many can talk about them. Club made for Europe. Maybe
Italian.
This is not Nigeria lingo.
Yes.
What do you know?
Osimhen did a great thing for them.
Napoli na state.
Yes.
The state club, you see na Wayo club.
No, Wayo club.
Now are you from the state?
Club will not carry trophies. Maradona time.
Since Maradona time, they not carry.
They not carry trophy.
They not listen. No, see when you see this one no be this one a bet na your frustration. Make na that talk. You sleep as cut.
The cuts.
Now you carry the shot, the shame.
Carry the
You
shot.
go attack Osimhen. Listen, my guy. Napoli no fit sign you.
No.
Cause you no be player.
You
They no fit fraud you.
You know in front you now.
Cause you know invest, you know be the invest. I don't know what you feel say they fraud you for. They do why you
You know sabi play ball. You dey carry your fraud club like Napoli. Wey not you be the best player for the club. Come dey shout with Osimhen. You know sabi play ball. You dey carry your Africa Footballer Award wey don almost expire. You go dey show people for street. You say na that nice street love or getting love.
See it, God, Jesus.
Because you say you don dey enter
Guy.
water plane. Like you reach 40,000 feet squeeze for your small water plane when you rent. You don see me. Wetin I dey see as a senior man for this year. You no go see how that water plane when you rent dey up. You fit say na guy to dey rent private jet. Your mates dey buy. Sure.
Now you know the talk so.
Bros, come back.
Now you know the talk so. Now this boy.
Just imagine.
Now this boy they beat yesterday.
Just imagine. No.
Abi.
You just imagine. Just
him.
imagine what? Just imagine something. If you dey support this guy for this life, now this guy this was see the day he talks to you. This guy
724.
if you dey support this guy, no say he go dey more better.
More better, more stronger.
But as he say go against that, he not touch you.
Not touch any.
It can be like motivation.
Big motivation.
The boy call it a private jet. He said that he got a plane.
What a play?
That he small people team. That he
It's not to sit.
He still not to think. He said that Napoli that your Guayo league.
Now you Ojoro League.
Guess what? This guy made it talk. I swear on my life. This guy name no dey anywhere apart from Nigeria.
Oh no.
This guy, they has never, you not get anything recognition. They not recognize you. You can't begin to insult people.
Which brand give you this polo? We see here. Prime.
Prime.
You don't to watch ball. You don't to do sport. Watch bet.
Which prime be this? Prime what?
Which prime?
Is it that prime? Prime drink. I mean, which prime time for DSTV? Yeah, be this. No, that one up the prime.
And DSTV now we don't bet.
DSTV. That day you go carry about for DSTV again. Oh. Just look at where you are going and look at what you are saying with your mouth. Damn foolish nigga. The play me you never enter. This guy take private jets like 40k dollars per trip. Or 30k, depending on the one you use. He say because he no carry you. Dumbass nigga. Hater. Anybody that is jealous, now so they be. Yes. I know them 2025. Yes. I know there were many.
Too many.
With your prime shirts. Prime time. Be like this. See, now New Balance we they use. We don't feel this prime now. We the New Balance our life together. You don't crazy.
Share where you see give her.
You don't crazy.
Share the last course bet when you
share the song small. Bros, now so you do interview, do your promotion. Just to carry you now, say, may you do their share till they do your video. See what you do their share they do. They let them cost them. They give you cap and shirt because you can't buy it. You don't know what is it.
Never.
They swan for like yeah, they be like slave. They don't say we don't pass slave trade. They are still slave in this bros. And I'm a place if I come. I worry boy you, no be worry Brisha. They claim we do it. Do you know what to do?
No need to do the Chris.
Bro, now we
do not the battle.
We know the key people. We know the hate people. We got to love. If you don't feel love Osimhen, shut up.
Shut fuck off. Give up.
And I ain't cause me Nigeria lose.
I should give up.
They go here the paro for the nigga.
Give up with your wook cap.
Nigga me they not allow play pay penalty. They come out.
Don't try for them. Make them play a penalty.
It's got see the day I know say yes, Nigeria people they only love when you win. The day this guy play 3 hat-trick against Benin Republic. Bro, the fuck anybody was Osimhen, you know, even this bastard. This bastard. Let's play this.
You know sabi play ball.
Shut up.
You carry your Africa Footballer Award.
What What you know get? See nobody. See
Yes,
nobody
a
in
black man,
nobody
a
in your
black man,
family,
African
nobody
man.
in this guy family will ever get that thing.
No, for life.
Believe, unless say you born, you train and well. Because no matter what you do, we can't pray bad for your children. Now your foolishness, now you go die
Like
with them.
foolishness, now go follow and go.
Not be your children go meet your picking if you go get down. But you like this, the family that you senior to upstairs, none of them will ever get anything like that.
Yes, no.
I don't wish your children bad. They feel go get down. If you born boy, make they play ball. If you born girl, put them for football. Make you know how he hard. Be a father of a player. Only just a father.
You go.
Because you know if you play again, now try born one footballer boy.
Yes.
Man, you don't go let the go swear for your picking. They try to do nice. Dead man. Now after this guy talk this talk, this Osimhen fan. Osimhen the carry the ball playing. Osimhen this guy the ball playing.
Great fan.
Greatest Osimhen. The Vitrias. This guy go attack him.
When someone inspire, they go to show people for street. If you say around where the street love or get to love. Because if you say you don't enter
Water plane. Guy say, guys,
are you mad?
how can somebody enter water plane?
Are you mad?
How can somebody enter water plane? Let me never get my water plane. I forgot gentle. I forgot plane.
Not in the enter now.
What is water plane? What is water plane?
Water plane.
Water plane. Are you sure there's water plane? Nowadays, now people they talk out of just your discretion with the word no.
Water plane.
Now water plane. Now plane where they carry water.
The water, the air, and I know that's which kind of
Which
that?
play a big section water plane? Water plane.
Water.
Okay, why? We got know what our
play got
water plane
Water
look
play
like.
got do.
Yes.
Yes, so I got see water play right now.
Hey Siri. Where my Siri? My Siri not talk again. Siri made it don't confuse though. Siri or water plane. Just search for water. Just search for water plane. Just say water plane.
Water plane, Joe. Yes, no water plane.
Yes. Just search. I've been a 9 years explode.
Now company be.
No, na EF now wait with that. What you do that?
See what better. Nobody did bring combat.
No. Okay.
Okay, this plane with the okay this with the drive for water.
Jesus
This-
Christ.
okay.
Not being used now.
Don't be Osimhen now. Hey, they follow now.
Jesus Christ. Not boat.
Oh,
Shall we water plane?
but this water plane they go up now.
Oh, water plane. Okay, water plane. Maybe they land for water.
What they
Oh, bros, you know see the
you
sea.
just get sense.
Sure.
You
So some know they use this type now. Like look at our bells
Because they
now.
punish you. What is this?
Guy enough. Okay.
Na play reach that one.
Not be sport Osimhen. They use the plane. They do now.
Na play na which get play
Where
down.
this guy?
You see Osimhen.
Can you see?
No, Osimhen now you see they use this thing.
No, but Osimhen don't use this type, bro.
Are you mad?
What is this?
Are you mad?
Bros, not be film with the art now.
Are you
That
mad?
you reach 40,000 feet school.
Water plane cannot reach that
Water plane
style.
can reach that side.
Oh, the curse.
Shut the fuck up.
You know, to show you see, you don't know the height of what you are even seeing.
This thing.
Now let's talk which one.
This thing. We
What are the see?
we get fed up.
What are the see? Yes, to the verse me.
On the vest I said look am. Come on this thing.
I beg.
This thing, yo.
Water plane is not available. Nobody use water plane again.
Nobody does now.
Now what film? Nah, the test na navy.
Yes, so.
Small water plane when you rent, you don't see it. You can see as you see. Because you see you don't enter private jet. Your mates dey
Maybe water plane again. No?
Don't be water play again on private jet. Don't go.
Me do a place.
Which one you get?
Nothing.
This Osimhen brother call it lion.
Nothing.
Was on the 9th of July 2024. Now, this is how that's how it started, but this is how it is going.
November 5 of November.
5th of November 2025. This one be like betting, you know.
I bet it's not bad. Now we should do that next time.
You know the call. My power.
Play.
Who be this?
Play.
Who is this?
Is that boy now?
Oh, Jollof.
Yes, that man.
Jollof.
July
Oh, now,
2024.
Told this guy-
Now,
Oh,
This is Jollof 2024. September 7. 1 year later.
this is how that's how it started. This is how it is going.
what the fuck?
For where?
What the fuck? What the hell? Damn it, man. Damn it.
My power. For where?
July 2024. Now, this is how that's how it started. This is how it is going.
Yes.
chocolate, only this one.
Yes.
My power.
You help now. You help. If you help, I go beat you.
This na the person me you swear for see me now. See me that be your helper. There is something that makes me come. Go machine. Go machine.
Machine. You call her go machine. That boy when you carry Africa continent.
It is not to enter
Water plane.
water plane. Go machine.
It is not to rent.
There
is something that
makes me come. Go machine.
Yes.
This guy Alan.
My see this slide.
What be this now? Lying. Stop.
Now let's go. Your
Stop it.
I didn't know. Why did they confuse me now? This guy they confuse. They confuse. Why they suspend this? Don't you yellow beat or something?
My power.
And then we don't know your power.
This guy they confuse us. No wonder he cause Osimhen.
Yes.
Any go scheme sorry, it isn't alarm.
No.
No wonder. Cause how can you go against Osimhen?
I don't tell you.
When they forgive this guy needs go psychiatry. There is something that makes me come. Go machine.
Yes.
This guy Alan. Alan. He's ashamed to call the name.
Because you not fit.
No fit call the way you see
What
you not look hypocrite. You call your black you dumb now.
Hey, bitch ass nigga, I don't hear my name on your mouth.
You don't hear that name on your mouth. Then those fake
Don't try it.
You call
My
her
see this slide. Make una fear God. Fear God in this life. Same person wey talk all those evil things about Osimhen.
you no fit call
Yesterday, because of Osimhen, he made 1 point, he used 100,000 naira. They made 1.1 million 76,000 naira. But Osimhen, yesterday, because of Osimhen, he made 1 point, he used 100,000 naira. They made 1.1 million 76,000 naira. Then shout, my helper, my helper. That same person will curse.
Prison.
You don't use your mouth to call out your helper. Fear God.
Prison.
Now this money when you chop now, over 1,000% interest when you chop now. Inside this money now, you send your children to go school.
Yes.
So Osimhen don't contribute to your children's school fees. Inside this money now, you go give your wife money, make she cook soup for you, make she do her hair, make she buy clothes. Osimhen now don't take care of your family. You go pay light bill.
So for me, September what and what?
September 5th.
Fast forwarded.
On November, I mean.
So this guy, now, me attack this guy, this Aboloma. They are two collectors meet face to face. Before one they stay Abuja, one they stay Delta State.
Yes.
Which is long distance.
Oh,
all their fight was
distance.
inside online.
No.
Holland. They never meet before.
No.
These two people, they have been fighting the hair.
Yeah, for so long.
They never meet before.
Nah, they just met.
Now they meet.
My helper.
Yesterday, my helper meet my savior.
My savior.
You made the help. You made the help. Oh.
So they.
I said, it was me. From there, we see me go come out, go carry the cup.
Yes, now. No, before. No, us.
Yes, we see me carry the cup.
Yeah, Jollof.
No, shut
Okay, yes.
Everybody talk your
You mess up big time. You know that if somebody mess up, you are talking down someone hardworking.
Okay.
Like, I don't understand. When it concerns Soccer League and Champion League, these are two different things entirely. You see here jealousy language. You see here jealousy language. You can't say you and Osimhen don't forget misunderstand before. Osimhen say Osimhen block Jollof. Now you are talking down is hardworking. For you to celebrate, you're celebrating another person.
Guess what? Now women call the advice.
Because everybody hear them.
King Solomon may get the advice to do good thing.
Yes, so.
How can you ever be this so wrong?
Who they see what and the other one not they see?
How can you be so wrong to the extent say women call the advice you?
Who the people say the
You that is seeing future. You they see tomorrow. When you sit down put test, you they see tomorrow.